IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. When do you usually wear headphones? Band 5. Answer.
I usually wear headphones when I listen to music or watch videos. I use them at home and sometimes when I go outside. It helps me focus and not hear noise.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, very basic vocabulary, lots of repetition. Grammar, mostly correct but simple sentence structures. Pronunciation, generally clear but flat. Typical of a Band 5, understandable but not impressive. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually wear headphones when I'm commuting or studying, especially if there's a lot of background noise. They help me concentrate better, and I also enjoy listening to podcasts or music to relax.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth flow with logical extension. Lexical resource, good topic vocabulary like commuting and background noise. Grammar, a range of sentence structures with control. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5, flexible, confident, and relevant. Band 9 Answer.
I tend to wear headphones whenever I need to shut out distractions, particularly while working or traveling. They create a kind of personal bubble that helps me stay focused, whether I'm listening to music or just blocking out noise.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and cohesive. Lexical resource, precise, natural phrases like shut out, distractions, and personal bubble. Grammar, wide range used naturally and accurately. Pronunciation, fully natural and easy to follow. Typical of a Band 9, sounds like a thoughtful human, not a rehearsed robot. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.